This video is about how to make authentic Sri Lankan Pol Roti. Have you ever tasted true Sri Lankan street food? Today, we're diving into a delicious treat, Pol Roti. This coconut flatbread is a favorite in Sri Lanka. Let's uncover how easy it is to make. Pol Roti is a traditional coconut bread made with just a few ingredients. It's crispy outside and soft inside. You can enjoy it as a snack or with a meal. To make Pol Roti, gather your ingredients. You'll need flour, grated coconut, salt, and water. Optional. Add a hint of sugar for sweetness. First, in a large bowl, mix flour and salt. Gradually add water, combining everything. Next, blend in the grated coconut. Knead until the dough is smooth. Once your dough is ready, divide it into small balls. Flatten each ball into a round disc about ½ inch thick. Now, heat a pan over medium heat. Lightly grease it with oil or butter. Place a disc of dough on the pan. Cook for 2-3 minutes on each side until golden brown. Imagine the aroma wafting through your kitchen. Serve your Pol Roti warm. Pair it with curry or even just butter. Pol Roti is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a snack. You'll love how easy it is to make. Remember, using fresh coconut gives the best flavor. Don't rush. Let each side cook properly for that perfect crunch. So, gather your ingredients and start cooking Pol Roti today. Singularly delicious, this dish deserves a spot at your table. Try making it and share your experience. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more culinary delights.